Happening now, it is day 2 of a sentencing hearing for Molly Corbett and Thomas Martins in a Davidson County courtroom. Now, yesterday, the father and daughter accepted a new plea deal in the death of Jason Corbett, who was killed in 2015. Molly Corbett entered a no contest plea for voluntary manslaughter, and her father, Thomas Martins, entered a guilty plea for voluntary manslaughter, with the state dropping the more serious charge of second-degree murder. They have been in court since 9 a.m. and just outside is where we find WXII 12's Maria DeBone. Maria, what's the latest from inside the courtroom today?
Well, our reporter Chris Peterson was inside the courtroom all day, and it just wrapped up for the day. Now, he said the state spent the day showing crime scene photos from 2015 of that incident. He said they even showed that metal baseball bat that Jason Corbett was beaten to death with then. Now, the state also had former Davidson County Sheriff's Deputy David Dillard appearing as a witness. He said he spent over an hour with Molly the morning after Jason's death and never noticed any sign of injury, but did notice her rubbing her neck. Now, Molly's defense team presented evidence that says they shows a pattern of abuse by Jason towards Molly before his death. A detective who was there the night of the incident said he interviewed Sharon Martins, Thomas Martins' wife, that night. He said she claimed she heard noises and screaming and that Thomas went upstairs, but that she had went back to sleep. Now, the state contends that it's unreasonable, saying that if she heard those noises, why she didn't go upstairs to check. Back to you.
Maria, we were told that this sentencing hearing could go on for 8 days. You spoke with a criminal defense attorney about this, and what did the attorney have to say about that amount of time for a hearing like this?
Of time. A criminal defense attorney who is also a former prosecutor for the Department of Justice tells me that sentencing hearings take about 30 minutes and that this one is unusually long. Now, I also mentioned to that criminal defense attorney, Richard Serafini, that evidence was being presented today. He said we're with the first trial not essentially counting anymore, that they're going back to square one with this.
What we have confronting the court is basically a plea agreement, and the pleas were taken. So what the defense is doing is they're presenting mitigation evidence to try and convince the judge to give a lower sentences than might otherwise be imposed.
And again, the trial could go on for several more days, with more evidence being presented before the judge makes a decision on those sentences. And of course, we'll have continuing coverage throughout this sentencing hearing. For now, in Davidson County, Maria DeBone, WXII 12 News.